Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Are you all fine?
Yes, sir.
Sir, and what about you, sir?
I am also fine. So all of you start your attendance in chat. As Prerana, Mr. Lami Chane and these already started. Puran did the attendance, Neha did the attendance, Anju, Priyanka, Smarika. Okay, continue with Karan, Ayush, Asmita, Saurabh, Paras. So everyone continue your attendance. And have you completed your homeworks?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 2 numbers bad.
Question number 2 is difficult.
Yes, sir.
You have completed both or first only?
The second also, sir. So the relation means
Yes.
there is written so the relation of U, A and B and C.
So the relation of U and B,
U,
A,
A, B,
B and C. That means you have to show those all in diagram. Nothing more than that.
yes, sir. Sir, how to show?
Show
Yes,
the
sir.
relation of those in the, those means that we have to draw those in Venn diagram. Just that much only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you observing my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, many of you have already completed your homeworks and many of you have problem in it also. Some were asking the solution of those questions to me in personal chat because it is difficult to some of you, not for all, because most of you have already completed the questions. Because of request of some of you, I solved both questions here. Okay. Okay, my screen is clearly visible.
Yes, sir.
Then look at the first homework which I have given to you yesterday. 3 questions we solved here in class. So I've given the number 4 for this question. If P is equal to first 4 odd numbers and Q is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then find Q minus P and P minus Q. Similar question we did here in class also. So I'm going to move it in fast way. First 4 odd numbers. So what are the first 4 odd numbers?
1, 3, 5, 7.
1, 3, 5, 7. And Q is already given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we can write Q minus P is equal to value of Q is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus P 1, 3, 5, 7. Now remove the common elements. Common elements means 1, 3, 5. These are common and remaining element in first set are 2 and 4. Similarly, P minus Q, we have to remove the element which are common. 1, 3, 5 are removed and remaining element in first set is 7. So P minus Q is 7 only. Q minus P is 2, 4 and P minus Q is 7 only. Is there any confusion in this question?
No, sir.
I think it's very easy question for you all. So next question for you was if U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dotted up to 15. A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. B is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. C is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And question is, show the relation of U, A, B, and C in Venn diagram and find A intersection B intersection C. So for its solution, at first we have to write A intersection B intersection. Sorry, for solution of A intersection B intersection C, at first we have to write sets, given sets. Those are U, A, B, and C. So first set is U, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 15. Second set A, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Third set B, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Next set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if we want to represent it in Venn diagram, at first draw the universal set U, then set A, set B, and set C. These are the circles for universals. Sorry, rectangle is for universal set. Circles or ovals are for set A, B, and for set C. Now, while filling this Venn diagram, at first we have to think about common region of all. This one is the common region of all. This is the common region. So check the common element from the all. तीनटै सेटबाट common element हेर्नु पर्यो. So which one is the common from these A, B, and C? Which element is
6.
common?
6.
Yes, 6 is common. It is in all. 6 is common element of all sets A, B, and C. So we have to fill 6 here in common region of all. Now
Sir, 2 and 4.
2 and 4. First common of all A, B, and C is 6 only. Now look at common from A and B. Is there any element common in A and B?
Nope.
No, sir.
There is
4,
no
4.
common element.
No, sir. No, sir.
And common element of B and C, you can check it.
3.
Element for B and C is 3.
3.
Okay. Similarly, common elements of A and C,
2, 4.
2,
2,
4,
4.
4 are common in both. So common elements in the common region of A and C, we have to fill 2, 4. Now write remaining elements of A here. Remaining elements of A means 8 and 10. We have to write 8 and 10 here. Similarly, remaining element in B, 9, 12, and 15 are the remaining elements of B. And
Yes,
what
sir.
are the remaining elements of set C?
5, 1, 5, 7.
1, 5, and
7.
these are the remaining elements of set C. Now look at all elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is 6. Next 7, 8. Next 9, 10. Is there 11 anywhere?
No, sir.
That will be
No, sir.
outside. Similarly, we have to write that outside, remaining elements. Similarly, 12. And is there 13 anywhere?
No, sir.
No,
We
sir.
have to write also outside of it. Next, 14 is also not there. 14 point China. That also we have to write outside. That means 11, 13, and 14. We have to write outside of A, B, and C. 11, 13, and 14. So this diagram is clear to you all?
Yes, sir.
If diagram is clear, now next thing is it is said to find out A intersection B intersection C. A intersection B intersection C. That means common region of all. This common region.
6.
So it is 6 only. We have to draw shadow here for it. And then write it from Venn diagram. A intersection B intersection C is equal to 6 inside the curly brackets. And this is our required answer.
Yes, sir.
So do anyone have any confusion in it?
No, sir.
Others also, except Toran. Toran said
No,
that
sir.
is okay. Okay, if there is no problem, let's move to next. So all of you look at the question.
Sir, in case of A union B,
In case of A union B, in previous question,
yes, sir. Where we have to do shadow, sir?
A union B,
Yes, sir.
A
A
union
union C.
all elements of A as well as B. This represents A union B. A, B and common part. You have to draw shadow inside these two, A and B.
Okay,
It is
sir.
clear? This represents
Yes,
A
sir.
union B.
Yes, sir.
And A union B union C means again we have to draw shadow inside C also. यहाँ अपनी draw करना पड़े.
Sir, process is same.
Yes, process of drawing is same. Diagram यही बनेगा.
Yes, sir.
Shadow मात्र different है. For A
Sir.
union B, A और B भितर
Yes,
shadow
sir.
draw
A
करना
union B union C. Answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
A
1 to
union
15.
for A union B union C except 11, 13, 14. 11, 13,
Yes.
14 छोडेर यहाँ भित्रको सबै एलिमेन्टहरु लेख्नु पर्यो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 and 15.
Yes, sir.
It's clear?
A
Yes,
complement.
sir.
A complement. If you want to find out A complement, you have to take elements except A. A बाहेकको सबै एलिमेन्टहरु, A लाई छोडेर, A भन्दा बाहिर भएको सबै. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
We have to leave 8 these elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. यो छोडेर यो भन्दा बाहिरको एलिमेन्टहरु जति छन् सबै लेखेपछि A कम्प्लिमेन्ट आउँछ.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Just look at this red shadow only. Don't look at this previous shadow. यो अघिको shadow लाई नहेरेर यो बाहिरको red shadow लाई मात्रै हेर है त.
Yes, sir.
This is A complement. Similarly, you can write B complement, C complement. B complement भन्यो भने B लाई छोडेर बाँकी सबै. Remaining portion except B, that is B complement. B भन्दा बाहिरको यो shaded region. This represents the B complement. So it is clear to you all?
Yes, sir.
So if there is A intersection B भनेको यो पोर्सनमा shadow बनाउनु पर्यो. Are you looking at this?
Yes, sir.
This is A intersection B. Similarly, this one is what it represents. What this new shadow
B
represents?
intersection C.
Yes, B intersection C. Okay, similarly, what about this shadow? What it represents? Yes,
A intersection C.
A intersection C.
C.
Similarly, what it represents?
C.
No. Yes. Can anyone say what it represents? This one? Yes, it is necessary to know. Sometimes it may be asked to you for 1 marks. What does the shadow represents? यस्तै shadow दिएर diagram मा what does this shadow represents? त्यसरी question सोध्छ.
C complement AB.
No. One, two, four, five, 7. These are the elements of C only. C मा मात्रै भएको एलिमेन्टहरु हो. So this represents the C minus B. Elements of C which are not in B. B मा नभएका C मा भएका एलिमेन्ट रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छ. So this shadow represents
C minus.
C minus B. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let us discuss about some 1, 2 more shadows. So what it represents? Yes.
A.
What it represents?
A, B, C complement.
A union, B union,
B
C
and C
complement.
complement.
A, B, C. तीनटेको complement भयो. A union, B union, C complement.
Mu.
Sir, A intersection B intersection C complement.
A intersection B intersection C. हामीले A intersection B intersection C के लाई भन्यो त? This 6 only.
6. Yes, sir.
A intersection B intersection C भनेको हामीले यो 6 मात्रै भन्यो. Its complement. Complement of A intersection B intersection C is represented by the other portion than the C. 6. 6 बाहेकको बाहिरको portion. This outer portion represents A intersection B intersection C complement. Okay. 6 लाई छोड्नु पर्यो. You have to leave this 6 only, and the remaining portion outside of the 6 represents A intersection B intersection C complement. Then there may not be any confusion.
Yes, sir.
If any type of confusion comes, you may ask to me afterward also. Let's move to next question. Okay, all of you look at this question. According to survey of 1,000 families of town, 794 have radio and 187 families have television. If 63 families do not have any of them, then how many families will have both radio and television? This is our question, and this type of questions are new for you in grade 8. You haven't learned this type of questions in grade 7. Previous type of questions you have learned in grade 7 also, and these questions will continue up to grade 10. यहाँबाट 8, 9, 10 मा गएर 10 सम्म यस टाइप of क्वेशन्सहरु पढ्छौ. So these are important for you. There are total 1,000 families. There are town or village anywhere. Just think about the place. There were 1,000 families. Out of those 1,000, 794 families have radio, 187 families have television, 63 do not have. तिनीहरुसँग केही पनि छैन, neither radio nor television. Now question is, how many families will have both radio and television? Both means we have to find out the intersection of radio as well as television. Television the radio intersection find out garnu parne bhayo. Okay, so at first know the process, and while writing the answer follow the process properly. Okay, at first we have to denote the given things. Just radio and televisions are given to us, so we have to say let radio is denoted by this letter and television is denoted by this one. Kuni duita letter linu paryo. We can take let radio be R and television by T. Let we can denote radio by R and television by T. And total number of people, families in the survey, those are 1,000. So we have to write NU is equal to 1,000. Always universal set NU means total from which we are getting the other data. That is universal set. So 1,000 is the universal cardinal number of universal set. And how many families have radio? 794. How many families have television?
187.
So cardinal number of T. While reading it or pronouncing it, remember NU is equal to 1,000, NR is equal to 794. That is the wrong pronunciation. Sometimes we may say it for the head kesarni padsau short huncha. NT is equal to 187, NR is equal to 794. That is easy for reading, but actual pronunciation of this one is cardinal number of R is equal to 794, cardinal number of U is equal to 1,000, cardinal number of T is equal to 187. Similarly, 63 families do not have any of them. That means radio union television complement. Radio pani chaina, television pani chaina. It is cardinal number of R union T complement, which is equal to 63. And we don't have the common value. Common value means R intersection T, who have both radio as well as television. Just come radio pancha, television pancha. We don't have that data. So
No, sir.
let it be X. This is not given to us, so we are saying let it be X. Now there are two methods to solve this type of question. In one method, we can solve it by using Venn diagram, and another method is we can solve it by using formula. So formula method is always not usable. Sometimes if it is asked in question that solve by using Venn diagram, then we have to use Venn diagram only. We can't use formula in that case.
Yes, sir.
Solve Venn diagram भन्यो भने त्यतिखेर formula use गर्न पाइदैन. But we can use Venn diagram method in any question. जेसुकै भनेको भए पनि Venn diagram method लाई use गर्न सकिन्छ. So knowing and understanding this method is better than using the formula.
Yes, sir.
So at first take universal set U and set A, that means radio as well as
television.
Television.
Sets for radio as well as for television. And R intersection T, how many families will have both radios and television? That is question to us.
Yes,
And
sir.
that we
X.
don't know. And we said let it be X.
X.
So we have to put caret middle because this is the common region. Now look at total circle of R.
Yes.
How many families have radio? Radio भएको फ्यामिलीहरु कतिवटा छन् त?
190. 790.
794.
94.
Out of these 794 families, 6 families have both. You pure circle, or now it is oval shape. This whole oval is 794. पुरै ओभल भरिको सबै काउन्ट गरे भने 794 हुने हो. Out of this 794, x goes in common region. X common region मा गइसक्यो. Now what is remaining that we have to write here? We have to write remaining part here. Out of 794, by subtracting x, we will get the remaining part. That we have to write here. 794 minus x.
X.
So why we subtract it? Because x comes in common region of both r and t. R र t को common region मा आयो. यो पुरै 794 यहीसम्म. Up to this end, it is 794. यहाँसम्मको बाट x यता आइसकेपछि माइनस गर्नु पर्यो to write this remaining region. And similar thing we have to do towards right side also in the oval of television. How many families have television in total?
187.
187. And out of this 187, x families have both x यहाँ आइसक्यो. So we subtract this one also. Sometimes many of students used to write this 1000 here. यो 1000 लाई लेखिदिन्छन् NU भित्र. But NU is not 1000. Sorry, NU is 1000. Cardinal number of universal set is 1000. But this region is not 1000. 1000 भनेको यो रेक्टेंगल भित्र सबै जोडेर 1000 हुने भने हो. रेक्टेंगल भित्र जे जति छ सबै जोडेर 1000 हुने भने हो. यो दुईटा ओभल जुन रेडियो र टेलिभिजनको ओभल छ यो भन्दा बाहिरको भ्यालु 1000 हुने भने होइन. So don't forget it. NU is 1000 छ जसरी यहाँ 794 लेख्नु यहाँ 1000 लेख्दिने भन्ने होइन. We have to write the value of complement here outside. R union T complement means except R and T, that is 63. So that we have to put outside of R and T. We have to put 63 here, not 1000. All of you remember it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, to get solution of it, that means to get value of x, we have to add all the values inside the diagram and equate that with 1000. यो भित्रका सबै भ्यालुहरुलाई जोडेर 1000 सँग इक्वेट गर्नु पर्यो. 1000 सँग इक्वेट गर्यो भने अनि x को भ्यालु आउँछ. Okay, so we can write from Venn diagram that 794 minus x plus this x plus 187 minus x plus this 63 is equal to total NU 1000 families. Okay, so what can be cancelled here? K cancel minus x as well as plus x.
Plus
These two to cancel out. We have to add the remaining values. 794, 187 and 63. These three values we have to add. And what
Yes,
it
sir.
will be?
1000.
981. 794 plus 187 plus 63 is 981 minus x remains as it is equal to 1 also remains as it is. Now 1000 लाई यता ल्याए पनि हुन्छ या 981 लाई उता लगेर सबट्र्याक्ट गरे पनि हुन्छ. Okay, is there any mistake? Check it.
Sir, minus x equals to minus 19 आको भए minus र minus काटेर x equals to 19 लेख्ने.
Wait. Add these values again. Is there any mistake? 794 plus 187 plus 63. Have you added?
सर त्यहाँ माइनस एक्स एक्स कसरी बन्छ?
Sir, 1044.
Yes, there is mistake.
Sir, 1044.
1044.
Yes, sir.
Just wait. So if it is 1044, so what will be here? 44.
Yes, sir.
1044 यता गएर minus 1044 हुन्छ, minus 44 र minus x, minus minus. Just you can think in this way. Minus will remain here. Sorry. It is giving different symbols. I want to get minus sign by alt 0 150. It is not giving. Let us take this minus only. This is smaller in size, so I was taking alt 0 150. Minus x is equal to
Minus
1000 minus 1044 plus minus 44, and minus x as well as minus 44 remains here for us. Yeah, minus 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 cancel, and our answer is 44.
Oh.
Our final answer is 44 families have both radios as well as. So if there is no confusion, now look at your homeworks. Are you observing the screen?
Yes, sir.
In a survey, it was found that 80% people like oranges, 85% like mangoes, and 75% like both, but 45 people like none of them. Then by drawing Venn diagram, find the number of people who were in the survey. That we have to find out. Try to do it. Okay, next question is, the student must take part in at least one of the activities. Then show the above information in Venn diagram. First question. And how many students have taken part in both activities? This is the next question. And similarly, in a survey, it was found that 80% people, sorry, mistakenly, same question is copied. So total 3 questions you have as your homework. This question is repeated.
Yes, sir. Sir, how to do that percent?
Total percent, we have to say, let it be 100%. Total percent is always 100%. So then
Yes.
we can, and you will be 100%. And afterward, we have to convert that percentage into numbers.
Yes, sir.
These 3 questions are your homework. Okay, thank you very much.